Well, thank you, Crypto Kitty. Tremendous introduction, really tremendous. Look, I used to say Bitcoin was a scam, a disaster, probably invented by Hillary, but now I get it. It's freedom money, MAGA money. We are going to make Bitcoin huge again, huge! And under my second term, because the first was stolen, let's be honest, we're going to make Bitcoin great again. We're going to mine it in America. We're going to tax it lightly. And we're going to build a beautiful, beautiful Bitcoin vault in Fort Knox, right next to the gold Schiff keeps crying about. Bitcoin is American now, sorry. Satoshi.
Hold on. I need to interrupt. Trump, I appreciate your enthusiasm, but you have absolutely no idea how distributed ledger technology works. Bitcoin was designed to be decentralized, no presidents, no borders, no Fort freaking Knox. You can't nationalize Bitcoin. That's like trying to trademark gravity.
Excuse me. You're the tech guy, okay? I'm the deal guy. I built hotels not knowing a thing about plumbing, and they flush beautifully. So you work on the code, I'll work on the brand. We're going to make Bitcoin huge, bigger than Google, bigger than gold, even bigger than Barron, and he's like 6'7" now.
You call yourself the deal guy, but what we've seen is textbook corruption. Your wife launches a coin, your insiders front run the announcement, and magically millions move right before your so-called crypto reserve pitch. That's not leadership, it's grift. Dressed in red, white, and bulged, Bitcoin survived Mt. Gox, China bans, and FTX. It'll survive you too.
Excuse me, you've been hiding for over a decade, Satoshi. No one knows who you are, what you are, or if you're even real. Could be a guy in his basement, could be China, could be Hillary, for all we know. Meanwhile, I've been out here in the spotlight, on the stage, making Bitcoin huge, bigger than ever. Before you're the ghost of Bitcoin, I'm the muscle. I've got the audience, the power, and the presidential playlist. You're just a myth hiding behind a Githy repo.